So the first thing I do with every single gun when I pick it up or someone hands it to me is I check, I make sure it's unloaded. Revolvers, they're super simple. This is called the cylinder here, has individual chambers. I just need to check, I need to make sure that each chamber is unloaded. Now, I'm actually ready to start loading the gun. So if I wanted to do it properly, we use what's called the Spider-Man grip. My middle and ring finger go right through. My pinky and index finger go right on top of the gun, and my thumb right here is on top of my ejector rod. You don't necessarily have to do this, but it's not a bad habit. It's a secure way that I can handle and manipulate the gun. So I've checked, I've made sure it's unloaded. I now have some dummy rounds here. All I'm gonna do is take my dummy rounds and I'm gonna insert them into each chamber, and I can load it all up. So I got it all loaded up, I close my cylinder, it locks into place, the gun would now be ready to fire. Now I want to unload the gun. Revolvers, we have our cylinder release, it's this tab right here. On this particular gun, I'm going to pull that tab back. Other revolvers, you might push it forward, and some you actually push a button in. They're usually always on the same place though. So I'm just gonna pull this tab back, use my Spider-Man grip to open it up. I hit my ejector rod if those rounds are still in there, and then I check, I make sure it's unloaded, I check all those chambers, and then I'll put the gun down just like this, action open. So it's a quick refresher on how to load and unload a revolver.